Welcome to part 8 of the .NET MAUI series. Today we will add user login to your app and show how to access APIs securely using bearer tokens. Authentication is essential for apps that handle personal or private data. Most modern APIs require a valid login with a token. We will use a login API that returns a token. This token will be used in future API calls to prove the user's identity. Create a simple login screen with fields for email and password bound to a view model. This view model handles login. It stores the token in secure storage and navigates to the main page upon success. This service sends the login request and retrieves a token from the API response. Use MAUI's preferences or secure storage to keep the token safe and reuse it in every secured request. Add the token to the authorization header using the bearer scheme. This grants access to protected endpoints. Make sure the app launches with the login screen. After login, redirect the user to the main dashboard. If a token expires or becomes invalid, redirect the user back to login. You can also refresh tokens if your API supports it. While running, login with the credentials, save the token, and access a protected user API. Authentication adds security and personalization to your MAUI app. Tokens allow seamless, secure backend access. In the next episode, we will enhance authentication using secure storage and build user-specific navigation and logout. Thanks for learning with us. Subscribe for more .NET MAUI content.